And welcome back to another BobBlast. Hi, I'm Bob Burridge, and this one is all about great presentations without framing. You know all about those 6" by 9" little paper pieces I practice on every day. What do I do with them? Well, I've got a lot of them because I do so many every day as a warm-up. What do I do with them? Let me show you how to present them to the galleries and those museum gift shops. And don't forget to sign your painting, sign your name, have some ownership. And when you sign your name, make sure you sign it well inside the border. I sign mine with these conservation quality Faber-Castell Pitt, P-I-T-T, Pitt artist pens. They're conservation quality. Anyway, I sign my name well inside. All right, it's done. Let me show you what I use next. There's the painting. It's already been photographed, signed. These are my mats. Now, my mats for this size, 6" by 9" painting, is really mounted on a mat. Looks pretty nice, right? 12 inches by 16 inches. This is a standard size mat. The opening I have for my painting is 3 inches, 3 inches, 3 inches, but the bottom is what is known as a museum mat, a weighted bottom. You want to have the bottom of the mat a little bit larger. It just makes the painting look like it's not falling down, see? So this painting is 9 1/4 by 6 1/4, so it fits beautifully behind the mat, just like that. Again, this is all about a professional presentation without framing and spending all that extra money. This is what I do. This is my 12 by 16 mat. I'm gonna put my painting on behind it. Now this is where artist tape comes in handy. Artist tape, just standard artist tape, not the kind you have to wet. And you put it on the top, just like that. That's called a piano hinge. A piano hinge. Don't put tape all the way around. You don't need to. And look, my name is there, well inside the border, and that's why you want to sign your name well within inside the border. Otherwise, you cover it up with the mat. So this piano hinge is how you want to do it. Now, this mat and the backboard, it's a backboard, the same size. I get it from the same company. That way I know it all matches up. And so the company happens to be Mat Boards and More. You'll see the name and address. But look how clean that is. So simple. And one more thing, the crystal clear bags. I know you know all about this. You can get them many places. Really available everywhere. Art stores, online. You slide it in here. You don't have to glue the backboard to this. Don't do that. You don't need to. Take off this tape on the back. Beautiful. Swing it around. It's done. Ready for a fantastic presentation. There's one more thing you got to do. Put your name and all that information on the back. Let me show you what I do. So now let's do the rooster painting. Look, my name's already in there, well inside the border, right? On the back side, I've also wrote the name of the painting and my signature and the date. Now it's ready to assemble it on another backboard. It's also been titled and my signature. One more thing before I put it in the plastic bag. My QR codes. These are the quick response codes that drives everyone to my website. Here's the information about this is an original Aquamedia painting. I own it, my name, signature, and one more thing, the QR code. How cool is that, right? So here we go. Let's assemble it. Assemble it. Here we go. In comes the plastic bag. Fantastic. One of the things you have to remember is to put the opening on the back side. That way it won't collect dust. Take off the protective coating. There's my sticky part. Voila, it's done. Very professional. Look how clean it is. It took seconds to do, right? And off to the galleries, your studio, open studio, sales, and anywhere you want to sell them. Ready to go. You're a professional. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next BobBlast. And here's my latest announcement. It's all about trade shows. I'm going to be doing 3 of them this year. Can't wait. They're fantastic. But why do trade shows? Well, first of all, they're major exhibits of all the major art materials manufacturers. You know, with fantastic discounts. I know people that bring their trucks just so they can stock up on all the discounts. And they also bring in a lot of instructors like myself, and we do many 3-hour and sometimes 6-hour workshops. And we supply the art materials. How cool is that, right? So you can sign up early. Check out these 3 that I'm about to tell you about. All right, coming right up here on July 23rd, Burlington, Vermont. That's right there. That's the headquarters of Holbein. And I'm going to be there. Many other Holbein artists will be there. We do these fantastic workshops. Check it on my website. Next one after that will be in September 27th. Sponsored by Artisans of Santa Fe. And who doesn't want to go to Santa Fe? You know, you've seen all those wonderful photographs. It really does look like that. So that's another major art expo where fantastic discounts, and you'll get to meet and talk to the manufacturers that actually, the materials that you use. So that's pretty cool for you to meet all these people. Then Art of the Carolinas. Oh, we've been talking about that one all year. That is major. You know, that one is sponsored by Jerry's Artorama. And so that'll be in Raleigh, again, November the 8th. Sharon DiGiulio does a great job at organizing all of us crazy artists and getting us into the workshops we want to get into. That's fantastic. They treat us so well. That's why I do those particular 3 workshops. There are many more out there. They're the ones I can fit into my schedule. I'm so glad you were able to have a chance to take a look at this. Again, I'll see you in Burlington, Vermont, or Santa Fe, New Mexico, or Raleigh, North Carolina.